Today we got a couple different cool ways to drive. We're going to start with the gyro one. We're resetting the gyro sensor at the beginning. That's really important. What we're doing right now is we're going to balance steering. Motor blocks have built-in PID loops, and so all we're concerned with is the steering portion. So I'm converting what the gyro angle is seeing to steering. Now I'm making it a myblock here just for simplicity. We got three variables for the A value, the motor power, and how we're going to exit the loop. In this case, we're going to be using the rotation sensor, and we're going to put it in degrees. So that's how we'll figure out that variable. Our formula right now is A times B. We're going to keep this simple. You could times it by C, having C be like 0.7. But right now, A is going to be like -15, B is the gyro sensor value, and that's what we're going to leave it at. A could be really any negative number, but it has to be negative because of the way the gyro sensor is going to work. So we're going to take A times B. B, if it was -1, and A is a negative number, then you get a positive steering value, and this positive steering value will bring it towards the positive gyro sensor value, and a negative steering value would bring it away from the positive side. So you're always forcing yourself back to 0. Try that out, see how it works. We're going to start with the line following program now. We're just going to calibrate the light sensors, the maximum and the minimum. You'd set the maximum on your white section, the minimum on your black, and you'd be just fine. You're going to want to reset at the end of your program after you're done using this to make sure that your light sensor works properly for your next program. So we're going to build pretty much the same program as the gyro sensor follower, except we're going to base it on the light value. And this formula is going to work a little bit differently. So this might be hard to follow. What we're doing is we're going to put -35 for the A value, 0.7 for the C. B is either going to be 100 or it's going to be 0. There's not going to be too much gray area. If it's 100, 100 times 0.7 is 70. Now 70 plus -35 is +35, so it's going to affect the steering to +35.
Filming?
Yeah. And the robots on.
What? Hey everybody, the past 2 days we had freshman orientation at our...
I have here is an example of the gyro program, and I have a little robot here with a link in the description for how to build it. I made a little modification with the light sensor, but no big deal there. It's going to reset the gyro, and then it's going to drive. If I turn it, we're about -35, and it's going to correct itself out, and it wobbles a little bit. If I can stop that wobble, it'll be great. So it drives straight, I can punch it, it'll oscillate itself out, and keep going. It's pretty sweet. Something like that. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.